All right, guys, we're gonna make chicken caprese. Took my two favorite things, thin chicken cutlet and then caprese salad, and mashed it together, and this is what you're gonna get. We start off with pounded chicken breast. Now, for those of you who don't like to pound and go through all that nonsense, here's another way you can tackle this. You could simply double butterfly the chicken. You cut through the chicken one time, you don't cut all the way through, and then you butterfly the other third this way. Make sure you don't cut through all the way. You'll end up with a thin cutlet that requires almost no pounding. If you want to get in there and do a little bit, you can, just to even it out. But then it's much easier than if you were going to pound it from the beginning. A lot of people like that big, sort of thick-looking paillard is the word we use. Paillard, fancy French word for, thin piece of chicken. Let's cut it. What's nice about this too is it cooks very fast. So, salt and pepper. Hot pan, olive oil, and that's all there is to it. This might be the fastest dish I've ever made in this series. I'm washing the board, okay, you hooligans? I'm washing it. All right? Don't come at me. Look, I'm washing the board. Okay? Even though I'm not serving this dish to anybody, I'm not gonna give you easy pickings in the comments section. Now let's assemble the caprese salad. Tomatoes, the freshest, nicest, most beautiful you can find. Overripe is always good. If it's summertime, you obviously want to use as many fresh, local, ripe tomatoes as you can. These are Romas. Romas are great. So are heirlooms. We're going to season generously, salt and pepper. By the way, seasoning generously with salt and pepper is like 95% of cooking. We're going to season this generously, salt and pepper. I'm going to flip it. All right. Olive oil. Chicken on top of the tomato. Now we build the caprese the normal way, which is basil. And then I like to put mozzarella on top of that. And you can just keep layering it. You can heat it up. You can serve it cool, room temp. You can use fresh mozzarella if you like. A little more olive oil, a little more pepper, a little more basil. Sometimes I like to do this with the basil just to activate oils. Do you guys smell did you smell the basil just pop into the air? Isn't that cool? And then balsamic, of course. Very nice. Look at how beautiful that looks. It's gonna be so good. So it's the simplicity of a salad, but main course level execution with the chicken paillard. Let's taste. Oh, delicious. It's a great weeknight dish, it's a great weekend dish, it's a great brunch dish. You could throw an egg on it and have it for breakfast. Chicken caprese, put that in the middle of any table, people are gonna go nuts for it.